Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a real estate business card in Photoshop. So let's get started. This method is very simple. First, we need to create a template for our business card design. For that, I'm going to prepic.com. I will also leave the link in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. And from here, I will search for the real estate business card and click on search. As we need to edit this on Photoshop, for that we are going to click on PSD format. And here are the examples that you can use freely for your business card. You can scroll down and search whichever you like. This one looks good, so let's open this up and click on download and click on free download. Once it is downloaded, open it up and click on this Photoshop file. And here's the template for your real estate business card. You can edit the name, logo, or the color scheme as well. So let me show you how you can do that. First, we are going to work on the front one. I'm going to take the layer panel and put it here. Let's see what's in the front layer. As you can see, there's a logo. And here's the name, designation, the phone numbers, the email address, and the website, and the street address as well. Now let's start editing one by one. You can click on this logo and you can put your own logo file from here. I'll be just changing the name. If you have any logo for yourself, you can just put it here in this area. And I'm going to add the tagline here. You can add or remove it. It's up to you. And once it is done, just click on this tick mark and now click on this cross mark to save it. And here's the name. Now select the type tool and click on the name to edit the name. You can write your own name. You can add the designation from here. You can add your phone numbers. You can add your email address. And again, you can add the street address just by clicking on this and write your own address. Once it is done, just click on this tick icon. As we are done with the front design, let's do with the back one. I'll just hide this layer and it will be here. Now here you can add the logo design. And again, you just double click on this. You can just write the name, or you can add your own logo from this, or you can add your own logo from here. And there you go. Now you have designed your own business card for real estate in Photoshop. Now you can save this file and send it to the person that prints the card. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.